that I have no doubt in my mind that accused are facing very serious offenses which touch on national security. And it is also a matter of grave concern to this court that both accused have pending cases before this court of almost similar nature. And for accused number one, he already has 2 such cases. And accused number 2, there is already 1 such case. But I have noted that these cases are yet to be finalized and that they are still pending trial at various stages. I have noted that it is settled law that pre-trial bond is a right of every accused person, which can only be denied upon proof by the prosecution of compelling reasons. And true to fact, I have noted that the characters and the antecedents of the 2 accused, being accused number 1 and 2, would very strongly mitigate against their being released on bond. But I've